How to leave a WhatsApp group without anyone knowing. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're able to leave a WhatsApp group without letting anyone know. But before I do, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so recently WhatsApp have updated their app and they've given you the ability to actually leave WhatsApp groups without notifying anyone that you've left. So what you need to do first is head over to either the Play Store or the Apple Store and make sure that you've updated your WhatsApp Messenger to the latest update. If there's any outstanding updates, just make sure you go ahead and update the app. My latest update was from the 16th of November, which includes this new feature. So then once you've updated the app, go over to the WhatsApp app and open up the chat that you want to leave. So as you can see, I'm here in this chat. So what I'm going to do is just tap on the chat name at the top of the screen. And here I'm just going to scroll down to the bottom. And once here, I'm just going to tap on exit group. And then it gives me two options. So it gives me the option to archive or it gives me an option to exit. So I'm just going to tap on exit and I've now left this group. And that's what it takes to leave WhatsApp group without anyone knowing. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.